Alright, welcome back guys to Hanging in Livingston. So today is the 22nd of December, you know it's the cake of a make the Christmas day. So we're gonna make some fruit cake. So we have all our ingredients in the fruit cake here. Plus we're gonna make some sorrel and ginger. See a whole heap of ginger. And with sorrel we have a red label wine. For the cake we have with vanilla, we have a baking powder, we have a almond, rose water, brownie, egg, lemon, nutmeg, butter, breadcrumbs, everything. You know, for the fruit cake is a whole heap of work, but we'll get it done. Right guys, so this is the ingredients we're gonna need for a sorrel drink and a fruit cake. And over here you can see we have a big pot on the fire boiled with some water in it. We put in with ginger and with sorrel. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the process here, just a boil, you know. So when you put in the sorrel, as the sorrel touch in, the color start change. Big pot, correct? So we're going to put in the sorrel now guys, just bust them open. And put in the sorrel. Let them boil. Now we put in the ginger. And this sorrel is pretty strong, so you may estimate it and say maybe you put much water, or you say you need a little less water, but I say this drink strong, so you have to put in enough water in order to get a nice drink out of it and not too overpowering. And then you know, so for Christmas you have this ready, well soaked with some rum and some wine. And you have this with your fruit cake. It's just like home, make inside warm. So when you finish put this in, we give it a stir. And you're gonna see how fast this transforms the color of the water. And this is something more we do back home. Every Christmas you have to have this. If you don't have nothing else, you have to have sorrel. Almost every other Jamaica, if they do look at farming, you see everybody have sorrel planted in the middle, whether the white one or the red one.
Oh, we have white sorrel?
The white sorrel.
We never said the white one before.
So every yard of Jamaica you go to, there is every other Jamaica you go, you always see sorrel. Now look on it already guys, look on this already. You just go in and look on this already. And you start boil it. See color? And you start boil it. And if you make this boil with your ginger and let it sit on the stove for a while and then cool down, then you start your mixing process. And you have people who use the sorrel, this part of it, and blend right out and make sorrel cake. I like sorrel not that much.
You never tried the cake?
I never tried the sorrel cake, I think more the sorrel cake. The drink is good enough for me. Look on that guys, look on that, it just go in and put it. And then we put the ginger in now. And we just across the ginger and throw it in. No cutting up or them, so just across the ginger and get to a boil. I better you know, it's just very tight.
Wow. This is gorgeous already. The color. So how will you make it boil before you turn it off this? Look at that.
You have to, basically what's a little draw the draw. So you want to get the color and
The color definitely is here.
the strength of it. So it depends on what you want. You want to stay long, you want to stay long. Some people make it boil. They like. And you want the strength out of the skin and everything.
So everybody do it different. Some people crush it. Some people cut it up small. Everybody do it different, I guess. This is the way Mr. L does his sorrel.
Years of experience.
Years of experience.
And what you say, yo, this man here. Man, I can't know if you do everything. I said, go brother, when you grow with your granny, and I said, you grow with your grandmother, you get to know everything. Okay, your grandmother always, come here, boy, come help me do this, come help me do that. So you get everything with grandmother do, and you grow with it. Then you can get to transfer it from you to your kids and make the thing carry on.
I mean like my sorrel drink where you can actually taste the ginger. Some people don't like it. Me don't like it strong. Me don't want, you know, like the overpouring of, you know, alcohol. Yeah, no, that's not my thing. But I like the strong, as Austin would say, the fire taste of the ginger. That's what I like.
Yeah man, you have to have every little thing of the ginger. You have to have your ginger and the sorrel. You have to have your wine, your little rum. Just give it the right blend, right? You don't want nothing too strong. You don't want the sorrel too strong. You don't want the ginger too strong. You first don't want the alcohol too strong. At least me can't say for everybody. Because some people love it. Some people love when they drink it and if you twitch up the eye too strong it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that.
So like how you do it to the skin, it's usually most people peel it.
Yeah, peel it. You want everything, the strength out of the skin and everything. Right, once you wash it properly, you know. Right, you grate it and you add it to your whichever drinks you add it to, right?
So you put that in and you make that boil with it.
Boil.
How long you put it to sit down for before you mix it?
Basically until it cool down. Like you want it cool down. So you have to make it cool down, then you strain it. And when you strain it now, then you sweeten it and put in a little rum.
Concoctions.
Yeah, whatever you want, put in it. And depends on how sweet you want it. Some people love it extra sweet. Some people like it when it's not that much sweet. You know, everybody different. Some people diabetic. Stuff, so you have to just look on that, guys. Look how pretty. Just put in the first batch I could have. That I gotta bring out the flavor now.
What up, Mr. L? Stir it. Look at that already. Whenever Mr. L said he will be straining this.
Yeah. Off the strain it. Off the strain it. Off the strain it. You know, so when you finish, if you have white clothes and you make some of that touch on the white clothes.
That's it.
That's it. That gone. You can't bring it back. I don't have bleach can help you. It's strong.
Hey man, the color pretty. Color pretty. The color give me beetroot color. Remember the beetroot with the pretty and rich and look good? Yeah.
Can try some sorrel rice on there.
Sorrel rice? You can try. No, we're not knock it. ginger.
Alright, people. Ginger for days. Now let juice go there. You know what's this like all nice, you know? This well blessed up. Alright people, the greater. Let's turn on. People look on that. Look on that.
So you're supposed to make it boil, babe, or if you just cover it up and make it go?
I make it boil up a little bit more.
Mm.
And then just cover it up and make it go on do it thing.
Pretty though.
Pretty man.
Okay.
Okay. And when you do this now, you squeeze this straight now and get all the rest of the remaining juice out of it, out of the sap itself. And the ginger, squeeze it, all of the flavor of the ginger run out tonight. Alright, so we're go let this go on, do it thing, and start on the fruit cake. So when we start on the fruit cake, me get back you guys back on, alright? Alright, so yes guys, now we're going to start the process of the cake. They kind of started before off camera because we have to get something started out first. So we have our egg. I got mixed by Mr. Austin.
Hi guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Livingstons.
And after the eggs we have the butter. I got mixed by Miss Paris.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
And then as you can see guys, the sorrel it already boiled and have it on the fire. Cool down, look on that. So we have to make it cool and sweeten up and back load and put on fridge it cool, right? And then we have to give out to all we already, so we'll give some to. So we have a few friends that want sorrel, and we really think we just back it out and give to our church brothers and church sisters and whoever want it, right? Because we made a whole big pot. As you can see, the pot huge.
Massive.
Whole pot sorrel. Can't drink so much sorrel. Right, so we have to share it. Now I'm going to start my process of doing the flour and stuff. So
I guess Paris and Austin too is going to start their process. Go ahead. Nice.
Yes guys, I will sieve out the flour first. Even though it's not really nice sometimes, but you can just see a little spot. You don't want that, so you sieve it out. And whatever not go through, not to go through, right? So we just and guys, because then years of experience and years of making it produce. Right, so just so they know exactly what to do.
You have to teach them from young.
big cake, guys. So I'm gonna need a lot of flour.
How much pound you make?
I want to make a 6-pound cake in the evening now.
6 pounds. Big up Mr. Rajdean. Always my mother-in-law. She give us the ingredients and we've been using it for years. I know the process can be messy, guys.
The flour so well refined. That middle of the flour and that's all we get out of it. So guys, we're all get it going. We'll get close in, then we'll get you guys back on, alright? Alright people, so it's a long process, so most of it kinda get cut out. But right now I'm at the dry ingredients where I had the cinnamon powder, the nutmeg, the allspice, baking powder, breadcrumbs, all of the dry ingredients. Now combining of this, right? Now I'm gonna add my egg, where Austin was blending. So Austin will bring it down, I'm gonna add it, and then I'm gonna add butter and sugar. That part I have. And guys, you have to teach them from now, so they know, right? They know what to do. So when me get hold of one piece of black cake now, right? You can't just say, Austin, Boris. And they say, yes, daddy. Alright, so you have to teach them. They're never too young to learn. Because when they wait too long and they reach a certain age, they must say, no, sir, I don't want to learn to do it again. So you teach them from they learn the inner them. Because when Austin first started this, Austin used to stand up on a chair to look a bit. And then come and say, daddy, I want help. And I say, alright, you can help. And give him a chair and give him a mixer. Then that time he used to stop like every 5 minutes. The hand couldn't manage it. Poor little hand couldn't manage it, but through course that way he decided he have to do it too. So him did and he do it and look now, see, I him do that. Mix it the right way he want it.
And so we got 2 mixers.
Yeah, that's why we have 2 mixers, because they're always ready and willing to help, as they should be, right? As we say, always say, you know, them are the future, so whatever they learn now, and can pass it on to for them kids.
If we teach them from young.
Yeah. Alright, what's the next thing from Papa? And then I go after me. Rubbing this a little and I put on my sugar from my sparrows.
And we don't know what the process is called.
We're combining the ingredients at this point now.
And what that called?
No, when we add in everything, then we start mix and cut and fold.
There we go, cut and fold. Mr. Rajdean teach me that. Big up yourself, my nice clean mother-in-law there, Jamaica, in a St. Mary.
Yeah, that's how me learn.
I love you.
That's how me learn when me young. That's how me learn from my mother. We used to have to do the with her and we put in everything. We do the egg, all the paper put it in the baking tin. And show it in sugar one time and we catch it. When at Christmas time we happy like what?
This a
Jump where you jump.
the potty I go fit everything.
I forget how big a potty look like.
You think it I put everything
People are big baking go on here. And a baby baking.
Think we have to go reach for the big pot.
I'll reach for the big pot. Just rubbing this a little bit. And then I have to reach for the big pot. Because the fruits have to go in here. See the fruits from last year, this time, or earlier, maybe it kicked last year. We have the fruits are soaked. Because me throw out the bottle, me full it back, so we make this tonight. I'm going to refill it with rum, wine, and my mixed peel, my raisin, my currant, and my cherry, right? And make it soak until next year again. So when my cake them bake, you know say them bake with the taste of perfection. Years of experience.
Because of years of experience. I cannot with you.
So alright guys, let me start this out, and then when it's closer to finish, when I put in the browning and stuff, I'll get back to you guys, alright? Alright, so people, as you can see, put in the browning, but also, I make way more cake than what I totally expected me to make, you know. I go above the average range and go 6 pound. Look, I have to upgrade the pot, upgrade the spoon. But look on the people, put my fruits in, I put my browning in, I get it up to the taste with me, you know, like and know say people will love, right? So it may work for now, but look on it guys. See your fruits and blend out, so you can just see the small part of the fruits and nothing big. You have to get the fruits and blend out. You don't want your fruits too big on a bun, right? So you still have to cut and fold at this point. And the next step from here, the oven. Grease up upon them, line upon them, and put them in the oven. Alright guys? So, these are the step-by-step process how to make your black cake. Well again, you know me, when I really use measurement, you know. Because of what? Years of experience, me just go according to my taste buds say, you know, it reach a point, me just stop right this up. So I'm gonna really use measurement guys. So when you're done and it's done, you see the finish process right. Alright guys, we'll catch you back shortly. Alright guys, it's the best part of the baking when you go put out your cake in your baking tin. And as you can see guys, I put butter on my baking tin them. Some people line them, I bake, I'm not really have to line them. I just make sure so them have butter inside so they don't itch. But some people go the extra mile and line them side and bottom, but not all the while. But see it here guys. And when you have your mixture for the cake, you can't have it too runny, because you have it too runny in a problem. You have it too dry, it will go tough. Too soft, it will go soft when you're too tough. But you have to have the right texture. You know, you have to have it with your spoon turn up. You know it like that. Years of experience. Alright. So get a big mug. We're gonna mug it out here now. And remember guys, you put baking powder in it so it will rise. So you don't really need to fill it up to the brim. I mean, I like cleaning stove to that, stove cleaning too hard, so I put 5 people at the bottom, and then I try to put these to a limit where it not going to run over. Because you go down on your hands and knees, clean out cake batter out of oven, off a grill and stuff. I've done it many times, I know it's easy, so. Or you can make it easier for yourself, you make it easier for yourself. So you know, after this process, I straighten out the oven, and time I go for me before I come on in, and now at 10 o'clock in the night, or whatever we start, we have to finish.
That's right.
And you know, it's always a pleasure, you know, having you guys along and showing the liquor with me, you know. Even though people are going to say, but when I really learn, because when I get the measurement part, people when I really use measurement. God bless me like that. Even when before the hospital, I used to do renovation. Same thing, you know, you just work up our experience. And you know, it's the experience teaches knowledge, right? If I wipe off the side of the tin of them cake, because I feel like you hold about 2 pounds each time I go down.
How much of own of the oven at the same time?
So the good thing about the oven, guys, is a double oven. You have a section at the bottom where you can put 2 shelves, and there's a section at the top where you have a 1 shelf again. So it can hold,
Everything?
I would say, almost everything. Hopefully everything, guys. Then I could have get a 1 lick. I got my bed earlier, but I have to do it 2 times.
I think you're gonna have to do it 2 times. So.
Fingers crossed, man, I have to do it 2 times, 1 time. Father God, you see. Need to sleep. So 1 lick, Father.
Ooh, you're making a mess on the side.
And of course, guys, kids them
Ooh, you're making a mess.
gone off to them bed, you know. So me and mommy alone. I'll go and tag along. That's why I'm telling you guys, when you have your partner and you can work together, it work easier. Because if she never there, me alone there. I feel go and deal with this. I not tell you like, guys, the cup heavy.
So Mr. Al is making all these cakes because he has to be shipping them to his family abroad.
Yeah, man, big up me. Big brother, nice to say. Oh, Mr. Drinkles. Alright, people. I'm gonna put some in the oven, I'm gonna see you now, and then me finish up this, because my hand I get tired, so I need to get it up here. What better time to get it up here than put them in the oven. Alright, so I'm gonna use the top one first. And this can hold maybe a little one. See that? A tree that gone out like watch. We are working, we are working. Some of them have to wipe off the edge. So this have the double shelf. So we put one this up.
I'll do the chopping, I'll burn it at the
No,
top.
there is one. Hopefully not burn.
And then I'll do the top door.
Yeah, let's just check it in time. So we get 2 big ones this up. And I'll try push it too far, we get put a small one. This one will give me an overspill. So
Maybe you should do the big top one, the my bottom, baby.
the big one in my bottom?
Yeah.
We have one big one. Let me see what going over for the thing, so let me drop down this one more down.
Yeah.
Guys, so my time, you know, guys, me kinda
You
I always have to
kinda-
listen to my wife
You
because
kinda don't listen.
yeah, me kinda don't listen sometimes. You just have to call me outside, man. So guys, most of the time when my wife tells me something, I always don't listen on her. You know what? Me always get burned. And then you hear me they tell you. Right, so Me kinda I'm gonna listen.
Now go let's
What she
see.
tell me to do because
Yeah, I think it have to come down
Me
a
don't want-
little bit more.
go do it and it go burn. Me did tell you.
Mm-hmm.
So people, it's better sometimes you listen when people talk to you. So me take this now for.
There it is. There. You burn up yourself, please.
Now when you put these in guys and you lock it, now bother open it until you finish because if you open it before you finish, it's not gonna fall. Ah, see that? You see the good the good things of the lesson?
You shouldn't put the big one in my bottom though.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna end up with I figure do a second batch. But you know, that's okay. That's okay. You have a big thing right now go hold. So that's okay guys. So I have
There's some in there.
4 at the bottom, 3 on top and 3 on top, so 6 or 10 keep that. And I still have some left.
Still have a little bit more left.
I'm gonna go finish full the big one. I think maybe we can get the next small one outside. It's not bad guys. Alright, so yes guys, so this is the next day and this is the cake what I did bake yesterday. So this is the finished product of the cake. You can see them finished. I'm gonna base them with some wine. Look nice and nice. And the sorrel that was boiling. This is the finished product of the sorrel. So we get a few bottles well. You know, a red label wine bottle and some other bottle. We have even this big one here. So we get quite a lot outside. So this ready and ready to get distributed to friends and family. So yes guys, this is the finished product of the sorrel and the rum cake. So as we always say guys, you know, thanks to come around and hang out with us and you know, like, subscribe and share, you know, hit notification bell and tell a friend say, hey, I wrote and saw the bad material in the look on the sorrel and the black cake. Thank you guys again and have a wonderful Christmas, alright?
Happy holidays, guys.